Did you know that Guatemala is the capital of the world's most delicious bananas? Let's explore how Guatemalan farmers combine traditional farming methods with their deep care and strong connection to the land. Are you ready to uncover the secret behind these bananas? Discovering the world of Guatemalan bananas. Did you know that Guatemala is renowned as the world capital for delicious bananas? Guatemalan farmers bring together traditional farming methods, their deep respect for the land, and generations of expertise. Today, we're exploring how these farmers cultivate bananas with such care, creating a product enjoyed by millions around the globe. Ready to uncover the secrets behind these extraordinary bananas? The start of the journey, planting bananas. Growing high-quality bananas begins with the banana shoot. Unlike many other plants, bananas don't need seeds to grow. They rely on healthy shoots sprouting from the base of the mother plant. Today, we're entering Guatemala's lush tropical forests to witness the journey of a banana from shoot to fully grown fruit. Farmers pay careful attention to their crops, regularly removing weeds that might compete for vital nutrients and water. Bananas require significant moisture to thrive, making irrigation crucial for their development. New air spraying technology now aids farmers, ensuring that banana plants receive the water they need, especially during their early growth stages. This technology has proven transformative, helping farmers maintain robust crops in an environmentally friendly way. Protecting and growing bananas. As the banana plants grow, the farmers carefully monitor each flower to determine the ideal time for wrapping. Wrapping the bananas shields them from potential pests and ensures they grow properly, benefiting from the ideal environment provided by the farmer's attentive care. Banana plants also produce a distinctive blossom, which looks grand but must be removed once it's no longer necessary. By trimming the blossom at the right moment, farmers help the plant channel all its energy into nurturing the developing bananas. It's this level of care and expertise that makes Guatemalan bananas stand out in flavor and quality. The harvest, precision and care. When the bananas reach their perfect size, it's finally time for harvest. Farmers begin by carefully taping each banana to ensure they're ready and safe for transport. No banana is allowed to press down on another, preventing any damage from weight or bacterial contamination. This meticulous process ensures that even if one banana becomes bruised, the others remain pristine thanks to the thoughtful handling by the farmers. The art of harvesting. To harvest bananas, farmers cut entire bunches, which can weigh up to 40 kilograms, using sharp knives or machetes. Harvesting often requires a team of skilled workers who carefully gather the bananas and use specialized transport methods to prevent bruising. Through this approach, the bananas remain in excellent condition, preserving their fresh quality from farm to destination. Following this process reveals the dedication behind every banana bunch, a true testament to the expertise of the farmers. The processing of bananas. Most bananas are harvested while still green to protect them during transit. By picking them at this stage, the bananas stay firm enough for the packaging and processing that follows. This process also allows for controlled ripening, delivering a sweet, perfectly ripe banana to consumers when it's time to eat. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the bananas undergo a thorough inspection. They are then soaked in cool water to remove any dirt or residues. This cleaning step not only makes the bananas safe for consumption but also refreshes them after their journey, ensuring that every banana you enjoy meets the highest standards of quality and freshness. Utilizing the whole banana plant. Bananas are incredibly versatile, and nearly every part of the plant has its own unique use. Banana leaves, for example, are often used as natural plates or wraps for cooking and serving food in various cultures. These sturdy, waterproof leaves also add a subtle flavor to dishes. This tradition highlights the banana plant's versatility and its integral role in sustainable practices worldwide, ensuring freshness for the journey. To keep bananas fresh for their long trip, a gentle disinfectant spray is applied to each bunch. This spray protects against bacteria and fungi, ensuring that consumers receive bananas in excellent condition. Thanks to these careful preservation measures, bananas arrive at your local store as fresh as possible, ready for you to enjoy. Fried bananas, a worldwide treat. Fried bananas are a beloved snack around the world, known for their crispy exterior and sweet, tender inside. If you've ever wondered about the process of making fried bananas, you're in the right place. Producing these delicious treats is a detailed journey that transforms fresh bananas into crispy bites, perfect for any food lover. Preparation and processing of fried bananas. The preparation of fried bananas begins with a conveyor belt that moves the bananas at a controlled pace, allowing workers ample time to peel them without paste. Next, the peeled bananas are washed thoroughly to remove any residual substances, ensuring food safety. The thickness of each banana slice is carefully selected to achieve the ideal texture for frying. One of the secrets to perfect fried bananas lies in the frying time. If fried for too long, the bananas may become crumbly. If fried too briefly, they'll remain undercooked. Cooling the fried bananas is another critical step. Once cooled, they become delightfully crispy, making them an irresistible snack. However, packaging the fried bananas before they cool completely can trap moisture, ruining their signature crunch. A source of quick energy. Fried bananas are not only a tasty snack, they're also a quick source of energy. Their high carbohydrate content makes them perfect for athletes or anyone needing a quick energy boost during a busy day. However, while they're great for a quick pick-me-up, it's best to enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Exploring more of nature's bounty. The journey of the banana is just one story among many natural wonders. Stay with us as we continue exploring the fascinating world of agriculture. We have many more exciting videos lined up, from coconut harvesting to the making of maple syrup. There's so much more to discover in nature's abundance. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Guatemalan bananas. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming content. See you in the next video.